Super pumped right now. Guess what's in this box? Prototypes for the backpack hanger. And we're gonna check it out.
My name is Eric Strebel. I'm an industrial designer. Welcome to my channel about product design and making. I hope that you like, enjoy, and become a subscriber. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and then you hit the bell again, so you get the little parentheses around it. That way you'll be notified every time I have a new video. Don't forget to check out the design and making merch just below the video on the shelf. T-shirts, hoodies, stickers, leggings, and phone cases. Prototypes in the box from MJM. So I've been super busy, and the prototypes got made over the holidays, so things kind of got dragged out, and you know how things are with the holidays. Last we left, we were talking about sourcing a manufacturer to produce the prototypes and do the production. And I was showing you guys about mfg.com, and that did not pan out at all. I think I got one company out of Texas, and they wanted to make changes. They didn't have the correct equipment to make it. And actually, one of my subscribers on Instagram suggested MJM, and I'll include a link below. And they're an outfit out of Miami. And I'm also super pumped to let you know that these things are available on Kickstarter right now. Link below. Go check it out. So MJM out of Miami, they were like, yeah, we can make it. We don't need to make any changes. And I'm like, what? Really? Seriously? Many of the other manufacturers wanted to make changes. They didn't have the equipment or the machinery to produce the part exactly the way I wanted. And many of you suggested, you know, making changes and stuff. Now, that's sort of the beauty of designing stuff, and maybe the difficulty in manufacturing something is then finding a manufacturer to make the part the way you want. And that's ideally what you want as a designer. You don't want to have to change your stuff because of somebody else's manufacturing capabilities or non-capabilities. You want somebody to say, yeah, we can make that, no problem. And there may be small little tweaks. In my case, I don't have to change anything. It was fantastic. So aluminum on the right, stainless steel on the left. The stainless steel one is awesome. It's nice, heavy, massive, substantial. The aluminum one is nice and lightweight. It has some imperfections in it. Not sure they use the exact right aluminum, but those are small little things that can be worked out in manufacturing. Not a big deal. So let's take a look how they made one of these things. So I have some video of them manufacturing the part, and I'm going to show you that in a second. Before they bend this thing on the brake press, they need to cut a blank. I don't have any video of them laser cutting out the steel, so I'm going to show you how you would laser cut out a part like this on my laser cutter here. And I'm going to cut 1/8 inch cardboard, 3mm, I think it's some mat board here, just to sort of show you how that process works. It's basically laser cutting at its finest, and I'm cutting out a cardboard blank for you. Laser comes in, cuts everything out, engraves the text, and this is the blank and what it would look like, but obviously out of cardboard and not out of steel. So here you can see this would be the blank size compared to the folded up part that they would start with before they bend it all up. So to make this part, they are using an digital brake press, something that they can program. And we're basically watching some cell phone video of how they bend this up. So let's just kind of follow along. They're bending the inside parts first. And if you don't know what a brake press is, check it out on YouTube. There's tons of videos out there about how to form steel on a brake press. This is a large, massive machine. It's very configurable with different dies for different materials and different uses and different bend scenarios. So they're bending up the inside parts. These are the little keychain hooks on the bottom. Those get bent up first, and then from there they are going to bend some of the other special little inside pieces. Here you can see these are the little tabs that hold the mobile devices or the cell phone on the interior of the part. And you can also see they've already machined out the holes for the screws for the mounting holes. Those are already taken care of. For whatever reason, in this video, they have not laser etched in the name yet. Don't know why. Maybe this is an early prototype or something, or they just went back and laser etched everything afterwards. So the dies are configurable. Here they are bending the bottom pieces here, and you can see the part starting to take shape. So they're going to bend it one more time or a couple more times to get us super close to the part. You can really see the thing starting to come together here right now. And let's just watch as he makes the final bend. There's the part. Super nice. Goes pretty quick. Let's mount up one of the hangers here, and I'll show you. It's pretty simple. They have the wide holes so you can attach it to like a desk or something like that, and then the two holes down the middle if you want to hook it up to like a stud for wall mounting. Super versatile. Little clips in the middle so you can charge your mobile device, slot so you can still use a charging cable. Holds many different kinds of devices. Your dad or your grandfather could even use this. Will hold a iPhone XS Max as well. Hold your jacket, cables, cords, keys, purses. Perfect. Anybody can use it. And plug in your phone, charge it at night. Have this by your bed, office, workout room, recording studio. We got options. Of course, it's a backpack hanger. All right, here's the wall-mounted version in stainless steel. You can see the two screws in the middle so you can attach it securely to a stud without having it rotate. Stainless steel one looks really nice. The aluminum one will have an anodized finish. It's available on Kickstarter right now. Head on over there. Check it out. Hope you pledge your support and get one. Ships worldwide. Super pumped. It's going to happen. Check out the little 1-minute video. This is the little promo video that I put together. Head on over to Kickstarter, check it out, pledge your support. Probably shipping in a couple months, maybe less. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can do that by clicking on the icon in the bottom right of the video or below the video. Give it a thumbs up and follow the channel there as well. Want to know about upcoming design content and projects that I'm working on? Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and my favorite, Google+. Links below. Rock on. Click here to check out some of the other design and making videos that I have that you might enjoy.